Have you faced in awkward situation when you speak in English? Don't take it yourself too seriously. I don't know why people laugh at me when I speak in English. I don't know what do they get after doing it, but continuously they do it with their pleasure. I am Priyanka. You all are welcome to my channel English Conversation with Priya. Today in this video I am going to talk about why people laugh at me when I speak in English. I know I am not good at English. My English is pretty poor. I make mistakes when I speak in English. But in initial time, each learner goes through in these phases. They suffer the embarrassing situation. I think make mistake the natural way to learn any new things in every aspect. But when people laugh at me, I feel shy. I feel feared to speak in English if people criticize me, if people make fun with me. It's also true that all people are not having the same nature. Some types of people, they love to do it. They love to criticize other people. They love to judge other people. But it's also true that right from our childhood we are habituated to speak our mother tongue. Our tongue is influenced to speak our mother tongue, and certainly we shift this language. Certainly we start to learn this language. So in initial time we make mistakes. It's natural. That's why sometimes I get demotivated. But besides, I think that I cannot change the negativity all around us, but I can change my mind, I can change my thought, I can change inside me. And otherwise I don't go away. If I get stuck in this problem, then I don't overcome from this problem. Every beginners faces this type of embarrassing situation. We are like a child when we are going to learn any new things in every aspect. We are not a robot, we are not a superman. Here we are human beings. So in initial time we are like a child when we are going to learn swimming, how much water we take. When we are going to learn cycling, how many times we fell down. So it's natural. When we are going to learn some new things, we are like a child, right? Now I have a solution to get rid from this problem. I think many people like me face the situation. So you don't need to concern what people think about you, what people think about your speaking. Don't need to concern. You just concern of your speaking. You just focus on your learning, and you need to take a clarity of thought, how to deliver your speech, how to deliver your feelings. You need to take, and always mind it. Don't focus on grammar rule when you are speaking. Grammar is absolutely important. Grammar is of course important, but approach should be expression centric. When you are going to speak in English, you just start your speaking and you have to proceed your conversation and end your speech. In this process, you don't need to concern about what people think about you, what people think about your speaking. If you like this video, then press the like button. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing, and you could also suggest me if you have any suggestion. I will see you again on next video. Till then, take care. Bye.